Hey guys, welcome back to Life of Me 3 Kids channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my new Hot Wheels blue Yoshi from Mario Kart. So you see this nice box. I like this box. It's nice. So let's unbox it. So I like to use it so then the box is reusable. So you see I peel this right here, but I don't go too far. When I reach a certain area, I leave it. And then I pop a hole here. Let me just pause the video to get something to poke. Okay, so I got some scissors. So I'm gonna cut this. Very hard to do this. They really seal their boxes good. But once you have something sharp, you got it. This is almost the best way to open your Hot Wheel box. So I'm gonna take this off. You gotta peel it a little bit more. I like to leave. I don't want to peel it all the way, so then when I'm ready, I take it out like this, and I could always put that right back in when I'm done. See, it doesn't have to go in the exact same way. So now let's clear out the space. Okay, so look, so we got this blue Yoshi from Mario Kart. Got this at Dave & Buster's. Looks super nice. Feels nice. And now that's it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.